some stuff in my bedroom, and I had to make sure my kitty cat wasn't in the way. I can't put her in this one either. I'll get in trouble. But oh, sorry, it's too dark in my bedroom. I don't have the soft box plugged in. Oh, someone come save me. Save me from these awful hiccups. Can't stand them. I just want to be able to get my work done and go to sleep. I can't because they keep me up. I have a fan who says that he loves my hiccups. I don't understand it. Can someone explain it to me? Send me an email. I really don't understand it. He says my hiccups make him want to hug me. I would hope that other things would make him want to hug me. Not my hiccups. Why? I mean, I have some pretty hot videos. And yet you guys like my hiccups. Most of the time when I get hiccups, I end up yawning too. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. I just want to take off my makeup and wash my face and go to sleep. Why is that so hard? I don't know. Should I whisper? If I whisper, then can this be an ASMR? Because I've been wanting to get into ASMR. How about the sound of me chewing on my glasses? Alright. I'm going to try to get rid of my hiccups and then go to bed. I hope you're having a better night than I am. Good night.